Gotta try to shoot that microwave, blow it up with some 1 pound tannerite.
Okay. My camera's out.
No.
Alright, we're good. I got a zoomed in one and a far out one. I'm ready when you are. Holy shit! I guess my gun's still shot on. I guess my gun's still shot on. Holy shit! There's pieces in the woods. I hope I got the explosion on camera.
Can I hit it? I think so.
Holy shit!
Woo! 30 on 6 foot that shit.
I guess my gun's still shot on. Holy fuck! There's some up there in the woods right there laying. Holy hell. Here, take your phone so I can zoom mine back out. It's still recording.
And that's what a redneck does for fun.
Used to be. Look, there's microwave pieces everywhere. Holy shit.
Well, you gotta pick it up.
There's pieces down here, Sam. Woo! Holy!
I told you to stay away from that cigarette.